Have you ever seen a rocket launch? It's a breathtaking spectacle, metal, fire and thunder all reaching for the sky. The ground shakes, a deep rumble grows, and then, liftoff! The rocket climbs, leaving a blazing trail behind. But this isn't just a giant firework. It's the result of years of science, engineering and teamwork. Rockets are among the most complex machines ever built. They must be strong, powerful and smart enough to survive space. Every part, from the smallest bolt to the largest tank, has a critical job. One mistake, and the mission could fail. The journey starts long before the launch pad, in the minds of scientists and on the factory floor. Thousands of experts, from physicists to programmers, work together to make spaceflight possible. It's a global effort, a shared dream to reach beyond our world. So, let's go behind the scenes, into the factories and labs where rockets are born. We'll see how a simple idea becomes a vessel that can travel to other worlds. From materials to engines, assembly to testing, it's a story of ingenuity and perseverance. Ready? Put on your imaginary lab coat, let's get started. Science rules. Every rocket starts with a question. What's the mission? A satellite, a telescope, or astronauts to Mars? The payload's size and weight decide how big and powerful the rocket must be. Engineers use advanced software to design the rocket, shaping it for minimal air resistance and maximum efficiency. They plan the stages, sections that drop away as the rocket climbs, making it lighter. Every detail is simulated thousands of times before any metal is cut. The rocket's key parts, the payload fairing, protective nose, guidance system, the brain, fuel and oxidizer tanks. It must be strong, yet as light as possible. Every extra kilogram means more fuel. Engineers optimize every component, shaving off weight to make the design work. It's a massive puzzle, solved by brilliant minds and powerful computers. What do you build a rocket with? Not just any metal, these materials are superheroes. They must be strong, light, and able to handle extreme temperatures, from freezing fuel to searing re-entry heat. Engineers use special alloys like aluminium lithium for strength and lightness. For the hottest parts, like engine nozzles, they use superalloys or advanced carbon materials. Modern rockets also use composites, woven carbon fibers set in resin, for parts like the nose cone. Every material is tested, stretched, frozen, baked, and examined for flaws. Scientists use microscopes to spot tiny cracks that could cause failure. Building a rocket is like using the universe's most advanced Lego bricks. Every piece is chosen for its unique properties. The result? A rocket that's safe, strong, and light enough to reach space. With blueprints and materials ready, it's time to build. Giant sheets of alloy are shaped into curved panels, then joined to form the rocket's body and tanks. Instead of bolts, engineers use friction stir welding. A spinning tool fuses metal for seamless, strong joints. Inside, a skeleton of rings and stringers gives the rocket strength like bones in a body. Technicians install brackets and mounts for pipes and wires, checking every detail against digital plans. Precision is everything. A tiny error could spell disaster. Massive cranes lift sections into place while skilled hands ensure every weld is perfect. The factory is a blend of industrial power and delicate craftsmanship. Piece by piece, raw materials become the gleaming sections of a future spaceship. When building to defy gravity, there's no room for error. The engines are the rocket's heart, built to unleash colossal thrust. Fuel and oxidizer mix in the combustion chamber, igniting to create super-hot gas blasted out at supersonic speed. It's Newton's third law: gas down, rocket up. Building engines is one of the hardest tasks. Parts must survive explosions hotter than lava and fuel colder than Antarctica. The engine's turbopump spins at incredible speeds, forcing fuel into the chamber at high pressure. Turbopumps are masterpieces, small but more powerful than a dozen race cars. Assembly is like open-heart surgery, ultra-clean, precise, and meticulous. Every part is inspected and fitted with care. Even a speck of dust can cause failure. Once built, engines are fired on test stands, sensors checking every detail. Only engines that pass these brutal tests are ready for flight. Now, it's time for assembly. The rocket comes together in a massive vehicle assembly building. Huge cranes stack the first stage, then the next, connecting engines, tanks, and systems. Technicians link thousands of wires and pipes, forming the rocket's nervous system and plumbing. Every connection is checked and rechecked. Failure is not an option. The payload, protected in its fairing, is added last, often in a clean room. Finally, the rocket stands tall, a gleaming tower of technology and ambition. It's the result of years of planning and teamwork. The next step: testing. A rocket may look ready, but it must survive a gauntlet of tests before launch. Engineers run integrated systems tests, checking that every part communicates and works together. Simulated countdowns and rehearsals ensure the rocket's brain and nerves are in sync. Wet dress rehearsals load the rocket with real propellants, checking for leaks and cold-induced problems. The most dramatic test: the static fire. The rocket is clamped down, engines ignite, and sensors record every detail. This is the rocket's final exam. Can it handle the real forces of launch? Only after passing all these tests is the rocket cleared for flight. Every step is about finding problems on the ground, not in the sky. There are no second chances in spaceflight. When the rocket passes, it's ready for the big day. The countdown begins. Launch day is a carefully choreographed event. The rocket rolls to the pad on a giant transporter, inching along at walking speed. At the pad, it's connected to the launch tower for power, communications, and fuel. Teams check weather, safety, and systems. Everyone must give a go for launch. Propellant loading begins. Super cold liquids fill the tanks, ice forms, and vapor billows. The rocket is now alive, humming with energy. In the final minutes, it switches to internal power. Computers take over. The launch director gives the final go. At T-10 seconds, water floods the pad to absorb the engine's roar. Engines ignite, clamps release, and the rocket lifts off, beginning its journey to space. Liftoff. When a rocket launches, it's more than just a machine rising skyward. It's a symbol of our drive to explore and understand the universe. Rockets have changed our world, enabling GPS, global communications, and accurate weather forecasts. They've carried telescopes and probes to the farthest reaches, revealing the wonders of our solar system and beyond. These missions inspire new generations to dream and discover. Building rockets teaches us that teamwork and ingenuity can solve the toughest challenges. As we look to the future, rockets will take us to the moon, Mars, and maybe even other stars. They're not just metal and fire, they're vessels of hope and ambition. The journey from blueprint to launch is a testament to human potential, and the adventure is only just beginning.